In this tutorial, you will learn how to exclude specific files or folders from the Plesk backup. Log in to your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Then click Backup and Restore. Click the Backup option button. We wish to make a full backup. Let's click this Options button, Full. Click to check the box to exclude specific files from the backup. In this input box, enter the path of the file you wish to exclude, such as /http://directory/filename.jpg. If you wish to exclude a whole directory, enter the path of the directory, such as /http://docs/images. To exclude only specific extensions such as PNG, enter /http://docs/images/.png. If you wish to receive a notification email, click to check this box and enter the email address here. Now click the OK button. The backup has been generated successfully. Thank you for watching.